guys! It's me, Rhea, and welcome back to my channel. So today, pupunta tayo sa isang bahay dahil tayo ay mag-sunflower party, which is a welcome party sa mga bagong office mate and bagong part ng Guernsey farm. So later, makikilala nyo sila, okay? Before natin gawin yun, before tayo pumunta doon, let's unbox this baby! Here we go. Pasensyahan nyo na. Hindi ako marunong mag-unbox ng mga bagay-bagay, so samahan nyo ako kung paano natin gagawin ito. So, pag open, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, I think this is the main one. So, kukunin natin ito. Kukunin natin ito. Ito. So, mamaya na natin siya titingnan. Tapos, ito ata yung main camera. Tapos, ang laman pa ng box ay syempre yung manual niya. At may additional siya sa loob na accessories. I think this is the mic, the external mic. And this one is the do it all your own. Parang dun nilalagay lahat ng connectors. Parang isa na lang. Tapos, ito yung extra niyang tripod na maliit din. And, yan. Tingnan na lang natin. Kasi hindi talaga ako marunong mag-unbox. So, anong laman nito? So, yung laman nito, I think, is just the cord. Yes. Ito. Yung cord niya. Tapos, tingnan natin. Manual cord. Nilabas ko na sila. Gawin natin dyan. Anong laman? It has this one and ano yung last na nasa box? Oh, ito yung para sa mic. So, ito yung laman niya. Cutie. I think this is for the mic. Para interview po tayo. Okay? Tapos, ito na siya. Let's open this. Tada! Parang size lang siya ng aking kamay. Paano natin aalisin? Wait lang.
3 hours later.
Ayun, nakuha na po natin siya after 48 years. Meron itong cord. Then, this one is the mic. Ito yung sa taas ng mic. Tapos, ito yung kung saan mo pwedeng i-connect lahat-lahat. Hindi siya masyadong kita. Yan. Tapos, yung lalagyan and yung camera. So, for now, punta muna tayo sa kabilang bahay.
Who among them was named after her father's ex-girlfriend?
Hello?
Ready?
The question will be in English first, then translate it to Tagalog.
Full name. Princess Ali.
I'm Princess Alice Miranda.
And then spell it using your
Princess Joy.
Ano pangalan pa?
Who among them
Ano pangalan ko bang ex?
after their father's
Wow, epic.
30 seconds.
Okay.
Ready, set, go!
Ano? Yes, I'm going first.
of my father's ex. She died because she got sick.
Oh.
And then my mom's name is Alicia. Her nickname is Alice, so my second name is Alice because she's my father's second girlfriend.
I get an idea. I have my
Okay.
Who among them is the youngest? Ready, set, who among them is the youngest? Ready, set, go!
Okay. Grabe naman kayo kay Raizel!
Correct answer, Jess. Ano gagawin natin?
Lalo ano nga yun, werewolf.
So werewolves are killers.
So mamaya malalaman niyo kung ano ang instructions.
Okay, ano?
Kuya, actually ka dito sa gitna, makikita mo ba yung mga...
Oo.
Yes.
Okay.
I can see all of you. So yeah, welcome to our village name.
The pen.
The Penthouse. Sometimes Parokyo. For now, it's Penthouse. Alright, it's already 6 p.m. So it's time for everyone to sleep.
Sleep.
Yeah, that's my sleeping time. I'm so sorry. Alright, it's already 12 a.m. Where are the killers? Killer ng...
Killers.
Four killers. There should be four.
Okay, so now, it's killing time. How many killers ba?
Four.
Okay, who to kill? Okay, good choice. Who's the next one?
Sherry.
No, the witch.
Witch the bear.
No, sleep killers. Good job. Witch the Witch. Are you gonna use your power or are you gonna? Alrighty. Sleep now, witch the. Next is nurse.
Nurse.
It's your shift.
Nurse.
Come on.
Nurse, where are you?
Okay.
Who do you wanna heal?
Nurse.
Yun na yun.
Galaw-galaw nurse.
Do your job. Okay. Alright, thank you so much. And last,
2 sheriffs.
the 2 sheriffs. Where are you? Come on, come on. Okay, thanks, Sheriff.
Okay, take nila.